Hi guys, this is a new playlist for this channel, German A1 level. In this video you will see the first 75 words. Before the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Basic pronouns and articles. Ich, I, du, you, informal. Du, you, informal. Er, he, er, he. Sie, she, sie, she. Es, it, es, it. Wir, we, wir, we. Ihr, you all, informal. You, you all, ye, informal. Sie, same as she, means they. Sie, they. Sie, with a capital letter, you, formal. Sie, you, formal. Mein, my. Mein, my. Dein, your, informal. Dein, your, informal. Sein, his. Sein, his. Ihr, her, their. Ihr, her, their. Common verbs. Sein, to be. Sein, to be. Haben, to have. Haben, to have. Gehen, to go. Gehen, to go. Kommen, to come. Kommen, to come. Machen, to do, to make. Machen, to do, to make. Sagen, to say. Sagen, to say. Sehen, to see. Sehen, to see. Hören, to hear. Essen, to eat. Essen, to eat. Trinken, to drink. Trinken, to drink. Wohnen, to live, reside. Wohnen, to live. Lernen, to learn. Lernen, to learn. Sprechen, to speak. Sprechen, to speak. Common nouns. Das Haus, house. Das Haus, house. Die Stadt, the city. Die Stadt, city. Das Auto, car. Das Auto, car. Die Schule, school. Die Schule, school. Die Arbeit, work or job. Die Arbeit, work or job. Der Tag, day. Der Tag, day. Die Nacht, night. Die Nacht, night. Der Morgen, morning. Der Morgen, morning. Der Abend, evening. Der Abend, evening. Das Jahr, year. Das Jahr, year. Der Name, name. Der Name, name. Der Freund, friend. Der Freund, friend. Die Familie, family. Die Familie, family. Adjectives and adverbs. Good, 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 good. Schlecht, bad. Schlecht, bad. Klein, small. Klein, small. Gross, big, gross, big. Alt, old. Alt, old. Jung, young. Jung, young. Schnell, fast. Schnell, fast. Rapid. Langsam, slow. Langsam, slow. Heiß, hot. Heiß, hot. Kalt, cold. Kalt, cold. Richtig, correct. Richtig, correct. Falsch, wrong. Falsch, wrong. Schon, beautiful. Schon, beautiful. Hässlich, ugly. Hässlich, ugly. Laut, loud. Laut, loud. Leise, ruhig, quiet. Leise or ruhig, it's quiet. Numbers from 1 to 10. Eins, 1. Eins, 1. Zwei, 2. Zwei, 2. Drei, 3. Drei, 3. Wir, 4. Wir, 4. 5, 5. 5, 5. 6, 6. 6, 6. 7, 7. 7, 7. 8, 8. 8, 8. 9, 9. 9, 9. 10, 10. 10, 10. Basic question words and prepositions. Wer, who. Where, who. Was, what. Was, what. Wo, where. Wo, where. Wann, when. Wann, when. Warum, why. Warum, why. Wie, how, wie. How. Mit, with. Mit, with. Ohne, without. Ohne, without. Für, for. Für, for. Gegen, against. Gegen, against. Thank you for the attention. Danke schön.